When I graduated from law school, or when I even applied to law school, I knew that I wasn't going to practice law. I knew that I wanted to learn a lot of skills that I could transfer into various careers. And when I graduated, I then started to explore into different fields, and I found that compliance was a great way for me to use all of the skills that I learned in law school, but not necessarily practice.
I definitely do not do the typical legal advice. I'm not practicing law per se. However, I'm using my legal background to really give people advice on what they could look at in terms of the regulation and how they can work with the regulations that they are involved in each day. And I think the ability to go outside of my legal training was something that Elon gave me in terms of exposing me to a variety of different types of law and different types of things that you can do with a law degree. And having that background, I've been able to go broader and really think more open-mindedly about how we can address our healthcare issues.
I feel like Elon prepared me for a number of things. I think the leadership training was really helpful. It allowed me to come into a place, in this position in particular, I didn't know a lot about the area of law or just the area of practice. And so I came in with the courage and with the motivation to really become strong in this position.
Elon Law taught me to not only how to be a lawyer, but how to expand my leadership skills, as well as public speaking, networking, and negotiating your own future. That's an opportunity that Clark really helps you with. You know, you're offered one position, but that's never where they say you have to stay forever. You can make your own job here, and that is something where I really tried to do. I had a wonderful experience in my first position here, but I think through my training and through my leadership, I was able to kind of move along to a new position. I can definitely say that Elon Law really helped me and let me know that I could kind of create something that I wanted to. It didn't have to be boilerplate into one position or another.
Looking back, beyond the ability to work in groups and work with different types of people, I think that the leadership skills actually are starting to come in really handy. With Elon Law's leadership program, they spent a lot of time on it, and now in the practice and being involved with the associations, the bar associations, it's becoming very critical. I was told a few days ago actually that I'm going to be appointed to a national committee for the ABA, American Bar Association, that provide me funding to attend their conferences year-round. And that's, you know, a lesson in leadership right there that I'll probably have, not probably, but I will be doing for the next year. And I see myself continuing to be involved with the American Bar Association and the National Bar Association, and that involvement includes, you know, leadership skills. I think I started learning a little bit more about and gaining while I was at Elon Law.